Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thanks for clicking this video. So today I'm driving from Abia Road in Umuahia and I'm going down to Factory Road around Flo FM. I think I'm going to pass Flo FM a bit, get to UBA from where you can be seeing offers. So along this Abia Road, we have the defunct ceramics. I think we have passed it already. And in front of us, where you can see the tall building, that is where we have a Circulus paint. And we're going to keep on going down so you can see how Abia Road is in November 2025. This road we are applying on was constructed by the past former governor of Abia State, Dr. Okeze Bazo. He was the one that constructed this road when the road was so bad. So guys, along this road you also have filling stations. Umuahia, we have filling stations where that's one thing about Umuahia. When I went to Uyo in 2023, I didn't see a lot of filling stations there. So we have hotels too in Umuahia. They don't have much hotels in Akwa Ibom as we have in Umuahia. So let's keep going. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, please kindly click the subscribe button and the notification bell above so that whenever I drop a video, you'll be notified. If you keep going down straight, if you keep driving down straight without taking any diversion, you're going to come out to the popular gate in Umuahia. Who have noticed that gate has been decongested. It's no longer the gate we used to know back in the days when you come out and you see a lot of crowd, like people just be moving, but now they don't really arrange gates. Umuahia now is no longer crowded like it used to be. At least some sense of organization. They have organized the place now. It's better than it used to be. But I'm not going to be taking the road, this straight road leading down to gate. I'm going to take a diversion just beside this brewery company. What's the name of this brewery company? Golden Guinea. So I'm going to be taking a diversion just beside Golden Guinea. We'll enter Afara. From there, we'll now drive out, get to Factory Road. From there, the video will end. So if you can watch the video, if you want to see Factory Road around Flo FM, close to Mazen Namdekano's house, you can watch the video down to the end to see how all those area looks like in November 2025.